Let's see our project execution. Right click here and go to run as. We will run as a Java application. As you can see, it is running. Now the server is running at port 8080. Now we will see the execution in Postman. First, we will see how to enter a candidate with an API. For that, we will use HTTP colon localhost and our port name is 8080 and here we will give the candidate name candidate candidate. Okay, and here I will add name and value as Kiran. And it is a post request, that's why we will select post option. By clicking the send, we will add a candidate for the election. Next we will add one more candidate, name as Ajay. I will add Kishore and again we will add the content. As you can see, here we are getting no output. That means we have added the list. We can see by using list vote API, and it is a get method. And you can see two members Kishore and Kiran has been added into the election. That means they are the nominees for our election. Now we will add one more nominee for the election. Enter candidate and I will give the name as Ram, and it is a post request. That means we are posting the request to the controller and we will send it. As you can see, Ram has been added. Let's see it is added or not by seeing the list votes, and it is a get request. Yeah, at present no one has been voted to any of the persons, Kishore or Kiran or Ram. Now let's make them vote. For that we will use cast vote, and we will add the name. Suppose I want to vote for Kishore, then I will vote for Kishore. Okay. Kishore, and it is a post request. That means we are voting to a person who has been nominated for an election, and we will send the request. Let's see the vote has been added or not by seeing the list vote API, and it is a get method. See, I have voted for Kishore and the vote count is 1, and we will vote for another 2 persons. I will vote for I will vote for this time I will vote for Kiran. I am voting for Kiran. I am voting for Kiran. Okay. Name as Kiran. As you can see, it's an error because it is an post request. That's why we will select post and again we will send the request. As you can see, the vote has been added. We can see by using the list vote API, and it is an get method. And see, I have voted for Kiran. Now I will add one more candidate. And one more candidate to the election. One more candidate. I will add ladies now. Let's see. I will add Sita, and it is a post request. We need to select the post request and we will add. It has been added successfully. As you can see, it has been added successfully. Now let's see. I will vote for Sita, and it is a post request. Name as I will vote for Sita, and I will send it. Let's see, our vote has been listed in the results or not. I will see it list vote, and it is a get method. That means we are getting the number of votes for individual persons has been got. As you can see, Kishore has 1 vote and Kiran has 1 vote and Sita has 2 votes. Now I will vote for cast vote. I will vote for again for Sita. And it is a post request, and we need to post request. Yeah. Now Sita has got 2 votes, and again I will add 1 vote for Sita. It is giving error because we cannot access multiple. We cannot again vote for Sita. That's why we will getting an error. Let's rectify. We will again ask cast vote for name as I will for Sita. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's adding again for 3. Now let's see how many votes for each individual has got. List vote, and it is a get method. We need to get the information from the hash map. See, here Kishore got 1 vote and Kiran got 1 vote and Sita got 3 votes. Let's see who is the winner in this elections by calling get winner, and it is a get request. That means we need to get the winner who is in the election. Let's see who is the winner. As you can see, Sita got 3 votes. 3 votes in the election. Okay. Okay, let's and I have added one additional feature, that is user authenticated. User not. Let's see what I have been added. Cache user authenticated. Cache user authenticated. User one. I want to vote for Kiran. I will vote for Kiran, and it's a post request. Something has been error. Cache user error. Let's check it out in our code. Cache user authenticate. Yeah, cache user authenticate. It's just cache user authenticated, and the spelling mistake is wrong. I will correct it. And it's a post request. Cached user. Okay, let's see. Cached vote user authenticate. Okay, let's run this code. Oh, again error. What's that? Username and password. I will add it. User one and password one. Okay, I will send it. Again, it's getting error. Let's have what's taking username and password. I will add for Kiran for Kiran, and let's say post request cache user authenticated. Okay, now it's getting error because cached user authenticated. Cached vote. We have given some mistake. Cached vote authenticated. It's on cached vote authenticated, and I will give one username and one. For that I will give password. As you can see, now it will work. See, user 1 has voted for Kiran and the password is 1. Let's try to add another vote for him. It's getting added. We need to implement this, but I have implemented. As you can see, the logic here in voting service. Here we are creating. One second. I will say it. Here we are initializing 10 users with an username as user1 and their passwords are password1. We can add by connecting to MySQL also. At present I am using local storage, that's why I have added here only, and all these users will be added in the list users, as you can see. And at this portion we are checking is this user is a valid or not, and it will if the user is not valid, it will show the return the false here. And this is the logic. Thank you for giving the opportunity. Thank you.